Soups aren't just for cold days. They're one of the smartest ways to pack your meals with nutrition, flavor, and comfort all in one bowl. Today, we're serving up some seriously healthy soup ideas that your body will thank you for. Whether you're trying to eat more vegetables, support your immune system, or just stay cozy without the calories, soup is your secret weapon. First up, lentil soup. Full of protein, fiber, and minerals, lentils help stabilize blood sugar and keep you full longer. Add garlic, cumin, and a splash of lemon juice for a flavor-packed boost. Next, try a light and detoxifying miso soup. This fermented broth supports gut health and can be customized with tofu, green onions, seaweed, and mushrooms. For something heartier, a classic chicken and vegetable soup delivers lean protein and loads of vitamins from carrots, celery, and greens. It's immune-boosting and incredibly comforting. Want a touch of sweetness? Butternut squash soup is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. Puree it with garlic, ginger, and coconut milk for a creamy, dairy-free delight. And don't forget about spinach and white bean soup, a powerful combo of plant-based protein, fiber, and iron. It's quick, satisfying, and perfect for meal prep. To keep your soups healthy, go for low-sodium broths, or better yet, make your own. Add whole grains like brown rice for extra staying power. Pack in the veggies. The more colors, the better. And for creamy textures, skip heavy cream and try pureed veggies or light coconut milk instead. With just a few smart ingredients, you can turn any soup into a superfood powerhouse. Ready to soup up your health? Try one of these recipes this week. And remember, good health starts in your kitchen.